Welcome, everyone, to another edition of the Highball Advisors Railroad Retirement Newsletter. My name is John McNamara, Highball Advisors, and Happy New Year, everybody, 2025. A lot of exciting things going to be happening New Year. New administration coming in, and with that, a lot of policy changes. So we want to look at those tax cuts, see if they get extended. How's that going to work out, right? A lot of negotiating going on there. Have a debt limit coming up, very important. We're at 36 trillion. They want to raise it up to 40 trillion, I believe. That's going to have a big effect on interest rates going forward, right? You can only borrow so much money. And then inflation, we got to keep an eye on that. You know, possible tariffs coming up, movement of some workers out of the country. So we'll see what happens with that. So those are the economic things that I'm watching so far this year in January. But I'm sure, as always, something will come up that will surprise us. That's for sure. This month, check out my whiteboard video of the month. Can you really retire on railroad retirement alone? So that's a great question. You know, railroaders want to know if I just collecting railroad retirement, is that enough for retirement? Go through that video and see some other things that you might want to consider when you're thinking about that. The mailbag, will my railroad retirement increase after I retire? Very important. Railroader sent that in, right? It's planning. Hey, is this going to be enough money in retirement? Am I getting some pay raises with the annuity? So go through that, check that out. Flowchart I have that you can download, which is great, PDF. Am I ready for the new year? So it just goes over goals and intentions that you might have for the new year. Check that video out. That's really good stuff. And then finally, the economic chart is the money inflows on stock funds this year. They were actually at a low level, and the stock market did very well. So that might bode well for 2025. It's just a data point, not convinced of it, but we'll see what happens. Very interesting. So railroaders, have a great month. I'll see you next month. Feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions or you're at or near retirement. And until next time, everyone, stay safe, stay on track, and take care. So long, everybody. Bye.